right, Ray Terry here, Executive Director of Put Tools in Schools, talking to plumbers today at Precision Plumbing, speaking of the career pathways and many opportunities available in the plumbing industry. I've got Connor Dunnigan. Did I say that right, Connor?
Dunnigan, yes.
Dunnigan. Connor Dunnigan. Connor, so you're a plumber.
Yes, sir.
How old are you, if I might ask?
26.
26 years old. How long have you been in plumbing?
5.5 years.
5.5 years. So really, 20 years old, you got into it.
Yeah.
What brought you into plumbing?
It was actually family in the company that said, apply here. I had no interest in doing it really, just kind of a job in the meantime. And
So you were looking for work and somebody recommended it and you just kind of fell into it.
yeah, and I liked it enough, so I decided to stay, and it's the longest I've ever worked somewhere. So
Are you happy?
Yes. Yeah.
You making decent money?
I am.
Precision Plumbing pays good benefits and all that kind of good stuff?
Absolutely, they're a great company.
And you're learning?
Yep. Every day.
Would you recommend it for anybody coming out of high school?
Yeah, I would say it's a great entry line of work. I mean, right out of high school. I mean, it's going to pay better than fast food or some of the other starter jobs.
No college debt?
Right. No college debt, and I mean, it's just hard work, and but you get a lot of knowledge, and yeah.
Folks, there's an image associated with plumbing, and it hadn't been a good one. Well, I'm interviewing these plumbers today to show you that, one, you're happy, make good money, and you'll never be without a job. Not a bad gig. Folks, plumbing, Precision Plumbing, Connor here, and you would recommend it to anybody, if even people in corporate America, jump ship, jump as a plumber.
Absolutely. You'll always have work.
Can't beat that. Folks, tune in every Saturday morning about your house. I'll bring you up to date. We'll talk to more tradespeople. Connor, Precision Plumbing. We'll talk to you soon.